guys, this first look is based off of the 1999 cover art, which is Charlie and Troy in the cutest green and black color scheme. So for this outfit, I went with a slime green colored cardigan. I think this is literally so cute. It's so comfy, it's thrifted, and then I paired it with a little white tank top from Brandy Melville, just a little layering piece. I wore my signature black pants to go with the black and the green color scheme. Then I put on this green grommet belt, just goes perfectly with the slime green theme. Then I just have some silver accessories to bring it all together. So this next look is inspired by when Charlie was being the Spice Girls and she had her little Spice Girls moment. This one is inspired by Posh Spice, I would say. I just have this little black kind of stretchy top. It's Alexa's and I'm pretty sure it's from Goodbye Bread. Then I just paired it with this black pinstripe blazer that I thrifted, and then to tie everything together I wore some silver jewelry and my chain belt for an Allie XCX touch. Look was actually inspired by this one scene from the 1999 music video, and I actually don't know what this reference is because I was born in 1999. It's basically Charlie on this blue background and she's wearing the cutest little outfit and a bucket hat, so I just tried to remake this orange velvet bucket hat that is actually from Urban Outfitters. Then I have this little pullover here that I thrifted. And I'm just wearing some light wash jeans because Charlie's just wearing like khakis in the photo. And then on the bottom I stole Alexa's vintage Skechers because Charlie's wearing some platform Skechers in the video. So I think that this outfit like matches up really well. Like it's just like an Allie XCX version of that outfit that Charlie wore. So I love this one. Next up, I did the Steve Jobs look. Of course, I've always thought Steve Jobs honestly was a fashion king, but Charlie did her little Steve Jobs moment in the 1999 video, so I did too. I just have this plain black turtleneck and a pair of jeans, and I just wore my cute little glasses and put my hair back. There we go. So for this last look, this one is just inspired by the 1999 cover. Once again, I am totally feeling the slime green now that like Charlie says it's okay, you know what I mean? So this is my slime green and black outfit. I just have this little slime green t-shirt that's just like weirdly under this adorable black dress that I just thrifted. And to kind of juice the whole outfit up, I just accessorized with, first of all, my little hair clips, these silver ones. Then I put on my dog collar choker, a ball chain necklace on, and then lastly I have my iGirl Anarchy rosary. Yeah, this outfit is so cute.